Hi, and welcome to this Safe Medicate video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how you can edit the details of your students. This is done from within the Safe Medicate administration program. Once you have signed into your account, open the Users tab at the top of the homepage by hovering your mouse over it. Select the first option, Search for Users. This is where you can search for any of your learners that have been provided with an account for Safe Medicate. We can search for any individual user by typing in their name, student ID, username or email address into the search bar and then click Search. This will only bring up the user that corresponds with your search criteria. Once you have the correct user, simply click on their name. You will then be taken through to their user record. Here, you can view their personal details sections that states their name, student number if required, email address and so on. If we click on Edit Details, we then have the option to change any of their personal information, such as their name, student number, email, their year, cohort and group information. Once you've made the necessary changes, click Update Changes and you'll be taken back to their user record. We will now look at the accessibility option. If you need to accommodate for a student who, for reasons of accessibility, needs extra time to complete a scheduled assessment, click on Accessibility. Here you can see that this user is already entitled to an extra 20 minutes. We can now change or update this by clicking Update. When prompted, select Yes to indicate that the student should be allowed extra time, and then choose whether this should be set as a fixed number of minutes or as a percentage of the time allocated for an assessment. Finally, use the slider to set the value for the extra time. For this example, I'm going to set the extra time to 25%. If you have set the assessment duration to 1 hour and you have set a 20-minute extra time period for the student, then the total time allowed for that student will be 1 hour and 20 minutes. Alternatively, if you have set the assessment duration to 1 hour and have set an extra time period of 25%, then the total time allowed for that student will be 1 hour and 15 minutes. Using the percentage value option means that the duration of extra time will always be in direct proportion to the assessment duration that's been set. Note that you will only need to set the extra time duration once. Once this is set, it will be added to all the subsequent scheduled assessments for that student. Once you've made the necessary changes, click on Update Changes to save the student's record. We then click back to their profile, which will return us to the user's information. If you have any further questions about this tutorial, then please visit our guides or get in contact with a member of the team. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.